All right, we're going to change the brake and the brake pin. So you're going to start by pushing your brake adjustment in. So your wheel spins backwards. Just take your pair of pliers, gently hold them right here. Don't squeeze too tight, you'll mess up the chain. Take your screwdriver, twist it backwards. That will remove the small sprocket. Then you have one screw right in there. We need to loosen that screw, or you can take it completely out. Pull this out. Now you can get to your brake and your brake pin. Move your brake out. Loosen this screw. Pull your old brake and old brake pin out. Take your new brake and brake pin. Slide it in. You want to make sure that your brake's not rubbing on your side plate over here. You want enough room so it's not grinding on it. Tighten the screw up. Okay. Take your single screw back to your left side. Take your bar. You got a little indentation for your screw to sit in. Slide it through, line it up. Tighten the screw back down. Get a little bit of Loctite. Just put a little drop or two on the threads. Take your little sprocket, set it back on there. Just roll the wheels forward. And set your brake. You do not want your wheels to spin backwards. You don't want them to come back like this, it'll leave dry spots on the wall. The brake and brake pin have been changed.